Hey everybody, Country Mouse here, and today we're going to do the Allure box. I know a lot of people are a little upset with Allure, with the fact being that some people are getting their boxes not till the following month, or they're not seeing their boxes. I hear it's better to call Allure to get help with this. Don't email them, don't send them messages through social media, just call them. I know that's a pain to just, actually have to talk to somebody. With the technology we have today, you should be just able to email, get your situation taken care of, and move on. This box starts out at $10 a month and then moves up to $15 a month. So, let's get into it. It comes in a white mailer box like this. And they kind of changed it up. When I first started, it did not look like this at all. Now, you get a little booklet here, which gives you a whole bunch of information, where you can buy the products at, if there is any promo codes for these products, and a little bit of everything, which is nice. And I will try to link that stuff down below so you can go find it really easily if you didn't get this stuff in your box or you don't get Allure. Then you can easily get to it. This month comes in a white baggie, which is kind of see-through. And the first thing we're going to start off with is something that's going to shock a lot of the folks that have been watching me. This is, well, first of all, scoot up. This is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick Natural Color in Grapefruit. Now, all you know, I do not go for multi-sticks. I don't go for cream sticks at all. Any cream products, I don't really care for them. If they're not a primer or a foundation or a lipstick, eyeliner. That's as far as it goes. But usually down here on my cheeks, I don't like anything that's cream. But shockingly enough, you'll see. Alright, as you can see, I actually used it on my cheeks. I know, everybody was probably like, oh, that's not normal. And I even used a little bit on my eyes. It's under the eyeshadow. I have one right now because I'm testing it out for another subscription box, which you guys will either already seen or will be seeing. So, and I used it for my lips. I know I stopped the recording before I've done this eye over here. It did get done. But it's got this like rose gold color. Kind of bronzy, a little bit of glittery. It's not bad. And it blended in just fine. I'll blend it out here so you guys can see it better, because sometimes when you're putting it on your face, the camera might be a little too far from me for you guys to see. But I will show you what it looks like blended down. Oh, that was the wrong view. The lights are catching it pretty good, but you see it, it's not bad. But you can blend it down even farther than that. Oh, go to smell stuff and you gotta stick it up your nose. Kind of smells like a crown. But I don't mind it. I was thinking, use this one a day when I just want a little bit of makeup, still look kind of natural. This one did a pretty good job of not adding a whole shimmery, glittery thing to make the hypopigmentation on my face stick out. I said hypopigmentation for the new guys out there, new girls. It's white spots, not this acne. But it did a good job. I will actually continue playing with that so that doesn't go back in the package before I get that stuff over my sweatshirt. Y'all know how that works. Alright, what do they say? They say that retails for $35. And if, you know what? I'll link everything down below if you're curious where to get it. Alright, the next thing we have is Mamomdi. I actually have some of this stuff. I've got a couple of their products before and it's okay. It's a rose water toner. Smells highly of rose. I haven't opened this one up because I'm going to actually pass it on to somebody else. But it's supposed to be smoothing and moisturizing for all skin types. The strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers. But the thing is, I don't like the smell of roses. And I smell it all day. Some people say that it dissipates after a while. Me, I can still smell it on myself. And I don't like it. But that's the only thing that's bad about it. The formula for it's great. But if you can handle the rose smell, that's actually a good toner. And that retails for $23. Hopefully it's going to be bigger than that for $23. We'd have to look that up. Alright, the next thing, we'll be going into a giveaway also because I have two of these in my drawer. I haven't touched them yet, but it is the Belif, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Looks like that light right there is aggravating me. There we go. Looks like that. I have my light tilted the wrong way and I'm noticing it now. But it's one of those jars that make you think there's more product in it than there is. Like I said, I haven't got to test it out. I already have a couple of them, so I'll pass them on to you guys, these extra ones. And it retails for $38. We have a Cure Seriously Smoothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Oh. Blue Tansy. Oh. I was like excited. And then I was like, it's Blue Tansy and Rose. Really? Really? Aw. Normal to sensitive skin, 100% vegan, paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, silicone free, cruelty free. And what's this little fancy little dude do? Now I've tried several Cure products and they have been amazing so far. I know Blue Tansy oil is really amazing, especially if you have hyperpigmentation, any acne, scars, things like that. Blue Tansy is really good for that. And it says 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. Okay. Ooh, this person don't just use it on her face. She also uses it on the ends of her hair. Huh. Neat. Price for this is $12.99 for 1 ounce. And we have 0.3 ounces. So let's take this thing out of it and see if we can smell it. Because if it smells like rose, I'm still going to try it, but, you know, give myself a little heads up. Well, that's odd. How am I going to... Now, if I take this out of the box and stick it on the shelf in there, I would be confused because there is no label. Nope, no label on this whatsoever. It's a Rollerball. Smells like a strong alcoholic perfume. I don't know about that. But I'll give it a try because it is blue tansy and I love blue tansy. And I think that multi-stick has seriously stained my skin. It didn't. We're good. Alright, the next thing we have, I think I had a choice. I could have either the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask, the Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. I've tried that before. I don't really like it. It leaves my skin really, really sticky afterwards, even if I wipe my face off with a wet rag. And to me, the watermelon smells like moldy, rotten watermelon. I mean, is it just me that thinks that it smells like that? I got excited because I was like, ooh, watermelon smell. But I didn't get that this time. But I did get it, I think, from Sephora or something at one point in time. But I did get the After Party Soothes and Brightens Skin with Blueberries and Yogurt by Biobelle. And let's see. The price for that is $3.99. I think I actually have a couple of these in my drawer, so you know what? I'll be nice. I'll pass it on. Those are usually good, but I don't remember if I like that mask or not. I still need to go through my mask drawer and get rid of the ones I didn't care for because they weren't right for my skin, so I can put them in my giveaway and do like one big mask giveaway. The next thing in here that I have is the Microdermabrasion Scrub by DermaE. Now, they have a scar cream, and I've been using it on my stomach until I had this recent surgery, but I was using it on my scar on my stomach, the scar that they always go through when they do my surgery, and it was starting to fade. It's not there now, but I'm interested. I'll try it. DermaE's pretty good. And the price for that is $32.50. It says, with salt and grapeseed oil, collapses many skincare steps into one pot. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, moisturizers, and delivers. My skin texture is better, and my cheekbones look downright glinty. They went from describing it to describing what happened to them all in one sentence. Thank you. Thank you so much. I thought my English was bad until I was reading them. I'm like, what? Okay. We'll give her a go. We don't mind that stuff. Oh, that's a trash pile. That's a keep pile. Come on, Ray. Get yourself together. And the last thing that's in this package is Dr.Brandt. And it's the Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. And wow, I have like 3 or 4 of these little guys, well, bigger guys, in my closet because of subscription boxes. We have that one. What's that say? What is that about? It's not even on here. There's a Dr.Brandt microdermabrasion, but it's not the poredermabrasion. Okay, did I miss it? Apparently not. I don't know. It came in a little packet like this. Anybody else get this? I'll put it with the rest of my Dr.Brandt stuff. I kind of want to use all that stuff together, kind of like my Sunday Riley stuff. I want to try to break down everything else I have in my collection till I can actually use things together. So I can't give you a price on that. I guess I could have gotten the Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser or Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Thank you, I didn't get that because that stuff burns my face. Or I could have got the Dr.Brandt Microdermabrasion, the Invisibobble hair thingies. I don't like them. I've tried them. I've tried them over and over again. I've actually got to the point where my hair got so tangled. I had the problem of it either getting real tangled in there or it just fall out. My hair's real thin. Or I could have got the Tortious Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in OG. I'm glad I didn't get that because I really don't like mattes lipsticks. Alright, that is all I got in my box. What'd you get in yours? Have you tried Allure yet? That question just came off. Sounded so non-personal. Alright, did you guys get the Allure box? What do you guys think of this? I know there's a lot of people in comments, like on my subscription addiction, that really are downing the box. And I've only been getting it for a short time. I don't think it's bad. But, you know, after you've had a subscription for so long, you start seeing some of the same products. And if you build up with other subscription boxes and you get products over here and then also you get your Allure box and it's got a lot of the same products, that might be the problem. But that could happen with any subscription box that you get. But let me know what you guys got. Did anybody else get anything that was not in the booklet? That's a little concerning to me. I had to have a price for it. Now I gotta go look it up. So if you want the price for it, you gotta go look down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, come back and see me later.